All right, so how does this all come together? We've learned about pumping technologies. We've learned about how to test for what microorganisms or contaminants are in water, and we know how to treat it. So when we have a community that needs clean and safe water, an NGO, nonprofit organization will work with that community. The first thing, their first challenge is figure out where they're going to get the water from. Is it going to be a pond, a river, a well water, or is it going to be from the ocean perhaps, or seawater? So that's the first engineering challenge, to figure that out. So we figure out the water source. Then we got to figure out where does that water source have to be transferred to. So where do we pump it to? So which pump technology is going to be best? Another engineering challenge. We have to figure out how long a distance it has to go, how we're going to get the water to the treatment system, and then eventually to the homes. Once we figure that out, then we test the water. What's in the water? What are we dealing with? Is it very complicated? Does it have bacteria, viruses, and chemicals in it? Then we're going to need a very extensive system. So when we test the water, we can determine what the problems are. Then another and the final engineering challenge is to figure out what treatment technology is going to be best. So for a nonprofit organization to have that kind of expertise is just too much to ask for. And that's been the problem all these years. We have had nonprofit organizations that have done the best they can, but they're not engineers. They don't know the latest technology. So the GlobalWater Center is going to provide that to them. So they will give them training, they will show them how to set up a community to own the system and maintain the system, and they will provide them the best system. They will help them choose and know what equipment to use for the best system for their community.